Hello runners, what a year! After taking you to Almaty, Austria and Quebec, the Year 4 Pass comes to an end south of the 49th parallel with SnowRunner's fourth expansion, High Voltage, available today. Set in northwestern Washington, nicknamed the Evergreen State for its lush forests and unforgivingly rainy weather, Season 16 tasks you with another Herculean project, the construction of the state's newest power plant. Split over 3 large 4-kilometre square maps, this huge mission is sure to put you and your skills to the test. Extreme weather events have shut down the region's tunnels and brought down railway bridges, cutting off whole valleys from each other. That's where you come in. Repair and modernise infrastructure to deliver the supersized equipment needed at the dam, rebuild river crossings, tunnels and local industries, restart the supply chain and patch up small towns to host new workers, among other activities. To help you in your endeavours, Season 16 High Voltage comes with 3 new trucks ready to conquer Washington's wilderness. First is the HIB Billet 1980, an off-road truck that'll shine however sticky the mud gets thanks to its excellent suspension and a wide range of available add-ons. Second on the list is the Plaid 440 Buddy, a nimble off-road truck with switchable all-wheel drive and differential lock capabilities. Its ability to equip all manner of towing and logging add-ons will make it a strong asset for any mission. Last is the Slater ST833 Chimera, a formidably durable truck with superior torque and great ground clearance. Taking it to the fuel station may be hard on your wallet, but it still makes for a strong companion no matter the assignment. And as is tradition, Season 16 comes with 10 free new Washington State-themed stickers to decorate your fleet. Today's new expansion may mark the end of the Year 4 Pass, but the journey continues for SnowRunner. Thanks to your